Yo, it's your boy. It's raining. I don't feel like going out in this, but we got things to do today. We got stuff to accomplish. This rain can't stop you from being great. I won't let it stop me. Don't let the weather dictate your behavior.
As I sit back and look when I used to be a crook, doing whatever it took from snatching change to pocketbooks.
So my boy Cool, the chef, he's made appearances on my YouTube channel before.
We're gonna get ready to get the seafood dip together.
More people need to know about Cool's food. So I'm gonna be heading over to his crib today, setting him up with his YouTube channel, getting some good eats, and I'm gonna be able to show y'all every step of the way. I'm excited for my boy. Our first stop is Publix. Gotta get the right food. What are you making today?
We're figuring it out once I see what's in there and what's the freshest available ingredients. I searched the city for lamb. Good one. Get some more roasted whole bird. Right here.
All right, what? It started raining?
This broccoli, little cousin, broccolini. It's just good, fancy, nice looking broccoli. And we're out. Broccolini in the bag.
Now this is one meal for lunch for YouTube, and we've been at the grocery store for about going on 20-30 minutes now. This is one of the downsides of grocery shopping with Kumar. He may get on the phone, he may educate you for 5 or 10 minutes. He does it because he cares. I love that. I like that, I should say. I don't love it. I love going home. Seasonings. Staring at them for 20 minutes.
Never had the Sapporo, but we're gonna try it.
And we are free. We made it through the 2 hours at Publix.
Shit, you lucky we ain't going home food.
Shit, we'd have been in there a whole day. All right.
I try my best to put my ego for my ego. I need to start it. Keep it real, you look like that.
Washing up the chicken, cutting off the extra fat.
Freaky ass chicken. Busting it open.
Alright. Oh shit. Actually some margarine. I'm gonna slice this lemon in half. Go ahead, some lemon. Squeeze it out. Take our whole chicken. Drop him right in. Move him around. Get all that liquid in there. Right on the can.
Freaking nut.
I ain't got a chicken over here looking like a stripper.
Look at this.
Look at that.
He ain't got a damn chicken.
Look at that little man.
Shit, not a damn beer can.
Yeah.
Freaky ass chicken.
Let's grab that with 2 hands, people. Be careful now. And get them going just like that. That's picture perfect, yo.
Woo. Chicken's in the oven. Y'all can't smell how good it is in here, but it smells amazing. So good that we gotta let the neighbors get a whiff of it.
Show me the iced tea. Give me the iced tea.
What's good?
Give me
What's good? Oh! Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. All right.
Real uncut.
Live footage.
What's up, Chief? What's up, Aric? So moist.
This is my brother.
Chicken, I'm gonna get some of the rice with the chicken. Stuff my face.
Whoa.
Nice to meet you, my brother. How you feel?
I'm blessed. That's the best word I can describe it. Look at this. I'm blessed.